Okay guys, come with me. Let me show you guys how you can roast this fish using this simple recipe that I will be showing you in this video. Okay, see, after using this recipe, it's just your normal regular recipe you have in your kitchen. Since the last time I did this roasting of this fish, Obi do not want me to use the fresh fish to cook again. So as you can see, this is all the fish that I have in my fridge. I just bring them out and wash it properly. I'll also be showing you guys how I'm going to wash those fish. Okay, so bet me, if you try this one, like if you roast your fish, you're not going to eat fresh fish again. You will not eat fresh fish again. Like Obi said, I don't want to be eating fresh fish again. I like the way you normally do it like this. Come, let me show you. It's just remaining only this one. I'll be using this one to show you examples. So for those people that have not seen the previous one that I've done before, so this is how you cut it and remove this thing inside. Okay, so make sure you remove, but I don't normally eat the head of the fish. Okay, so but I will not be cutting the head of fish. I'll just be removing these things, all these ones inside. Okay, then after you wash, make sure you wash thoroughly. Okay, so this is how beautiful my fish is. I've washed everything and very demure, right?
So you need oil, you need your salt, you need your maggi. You can use any seasoner. You need this is paprika. Okay, so you just put your paprika inside. You need this ginger. So I didn't have garlic. I could have put garlic, so that one is optional. So this ginger, I like to put a lot of ginger. So you mix it together. Okay, if you want to put any other things, you can put it, but this is how I normally do it. So you start rubbing it all over the fish, inside the fish, those places that you have already cut, you start putting them inside. Okay, so this is what I'm just doing, just rubbing it all over the fish. Guys, this fish is the best. Even when the last one that I did is really nice. With this one, it's really nice. After frying this, you just use one to eat gari. Right, so this is the other one. So these are not all the fish. So I just want to do this one first, then and later I'll do the other one and put it inside this thing. So see all of them together. So I'll leave it for some minutes for it to, like, the seasoning to get inside. Okay, so this is me transferring it inside, like not too much of time, like at least like in 10 minutes you just cover it so that this thing will enter very well. So this is me just arranging it. Then my oven, guys, another thing you need to know about this thing, oh god, you see this this thing, so the down, because you know it's fish now, the down is always dirty because of the water that will be dropping and oil and all that. So guys, this is what it looks like. Will you be trying this again? Yes, over and over again.
Guys, this is what it looks like. Let me know if you enjoy watching this video. See you guys on my next video, and do not forget to share this video. Bye. Ooh.